these RFY Shocks and the DJ or Diamond J Customs winding kit. I think I said that right. Yeah, Diamond J Customs winding kit. Yesterday we were beating on it pretty, or I was beating on it pretty good. Like we took it down there, we took it on a couple trails, and like really rode it hard. But they seem to perform pretty well. They haven't bent, they haven't broke, nothing is rattling, everything seems pretty sound. Like, they take pumps pretty well. Better than the stock 250 shocks. I mean, they're not as stiff, obviously. But they're honestly, for 60 bucks or however much they were, they're not bad. Get out of this X3's way. So now we're just going to come test it over here, do a couple of jumps on this hill, maybe take a couple of trails over here. Stability control with the here, I'll show you guys a little bit. The new stability with this winding kit and these shocks, like you can see the stock wheels would have been probably about here, and it's way better than you would think, honestly. I was going down a trail, I think it was over there somewhat earlier yesterday, and I went down and it did this, and it went down, took a hard left, and I was chasing him. He took it. I didn't realize how fast I was going. I took it, and if I would have been on the stock suspension, I would have rolled. There you go, Will. Alright, so he's gonna set up a camera, and I'm just gonna go see if I can find my line again. It's right there. But yeah, you see, like I can just crawl down stuff now because it's so wide. You could before, but it's just so much easier now. this is a real test right here. This is rough. As you can see, or as Will was saying a minute ago, I think, that's the end of this video. Let me go look at the shocks themselves. Hold on. And then we'll show you that nothing's broke. Everything's good. Nothing's bent. Shocks are still good. A-arms are good. Everything's good. See ya. Hello. This is Will, by the way. We didn't really have a chance, or I didn't have a chance to basically ride the Honda, and we're talking about my thoughts on it. But basically, what I had to say about it was essentially the same thing that he did. We've gone through some mud, we've gone through some other stuff as well. We've put it through the ringer today. We've done some jumps on it. We've done some donuts. We've ridden it for at the house too, and we've done a bunch of stuff with it, done a bunch of testing. As of right now, it looks like everything's holding up and it's doing really good. I see no reason to replace it as of right now. It's honestly designed and built for a lightweight and super light like style ride, and that's exactly what my sister will be doing. It's mainly built for her, and we just wanted to give someone the stability that they needed to be able to ride comfortably, you know what I mean? Honestly, the Lightning kit gives a lot of stability, and it keeps everyone safe that needs to be safe, and the RFY Shocks give a bunch of suspension relief to the front of it, so it dampens most of the terrible bumps that you'll see here and that you'll see at the house and stuff like that. So honestly, I quite enjoy it completely, being completely honest with you. We do know that the purchase was a little bit cheaper than it should have been. It's just the only thing that we financially could, you know, go ahead and buy it right away type of a thing. So we'll probably update it in the future when we need to, but as of right now, it's a wonderful ride. It's very comfortable. It's built sturdy. It's not like every 5 seconds we're concerned it's gonna like fall apart or anything like that. I definitely do think that we will be adding some A-arm protection bits, because with the wider pieces to it, we're gonna need to protect that. We are going to invest in a stabilization thing, because Dad did hit a rock when we first got here. We didn't have it on camera though, because we were just, you know, checking out different trails. But yeah, other than that, I can't think of anything. We are going to do a stabilizer. We're probably going to do a full in and out tutorial on how to install it yourself. We're going to be doing the same thing in the Raptor as well, so be expecting that content on the channel. And we don't really have a planned outro, so I guess we'll see you guys in the normal outro. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you guys do enjoy the rest of the Carolina Adventure content. We put a lot of work into it. We've been having a lot of fun. But other than that, yeah, so I just wanted to say my thoughts about it. So thank you all again for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
What's up, Wheeler Bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and I want to say a huge thank you to your support. It has meant the world to us.
And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free and you can change your mind at any time, plus it helps out the channel.
If you guys want to stay connected with us throughout everything we do, please be sure to go follow our links in the description down below. And yeah. Speaking of description, we have links in our description all the way from parks that you guys have seen on the channel, all the way down to our biggest supporter, Mr. Travis Truett at Skyline Signs. And as always, I'd like to say a huge thank you, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.